What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to continue working in my 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. As you saw in the previous video, I was able to remove the black trim that it was around the truck. I removed the clear coat and I fixed the dent, the one that it was right there in the top and the ugly one that it was at the bottom. So far so good. Progress is moving right along. So the plan today is to go ahead and smooth everything out. I'm gonna plastic everything, like all the windows, all the tail lights, the tailgate, everything, because this truck is about to get primed, painted, and cleared. I said that the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna paint this truck in two. So from just the bed is one part, then I'm gonna flip this truck around, and then it's gonna be the other side of the truck. Now, I'm not gonna go to no paint booth, none of that stuff. You know, the budget is very limited, so we gotta, we work with what we got. So I'm gonna paint this in here in this garage, and I think that's the best way, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that everything's gonna turn out amazing. So guys, stay tuned. You don't want to miss out on this. All right, let's get to the video. Alrighty guys, so this is how it turned out to be. I have a question. Does anybody knows why I have those holes right there where I put Bondo? I don't know if I have a cheap quality Bondo or what, but I tried to get rid of that and that thing is just not coming off. Can you please drop your comments down below and let me know what I did wrong so I don't make that mistake twice? So yeah, and right here, that's how it looks. I mean, it's a lot better how it used to be. Oh my goodness. After me hitting with the hammer so many times, this little piece right here fell off. So I got to put more Bondo right there. But I mean, check this out. See? It's pretty good. All I got to do is put more Bondo right here, smooth everything out, and then everything just going to match nicely. Here's the other side. See that? So I got to make sure that everything matches nice and smooth. go ahead and start taping this truck up. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is actually the next day here, and look, I'm already sweaty. I'm gonna show you guys why in a minute. So this is why. I just masked the entire car as you saw yesterday, but today, you know, I was finishing the car up, the whole truck, make sure that there's no airflow coming in, because I'm gonna be priming this truck today. Man, I don't know why I keep calling this car a car. So yeah, I just covered all the important stuff. I don't care about none of this stuff. So I also put a mat down there, make sure that my floors don't get dirty. I also covered my rims and tires, make sure that they don't get overspray. Just the back ones, I didn't do the front because, you know, they're protected right now, as you can see. So I don't know, guys, this is just my quick setup, you know. Oh, also I did that, well, I think you saw that already, but yeah, so this is what we got right now. I mean, I'm ready to prime this truck. Woo, first time priming. So yeah, down there is the whole setup. That's where I'm going to paint with. I already got all the stuff I need. That's the thinner, that's the primer, that's the mixers right here. That's when I clean all the guns, and of course you can't forget my favorite drink. That's all you need right here to accomplish success. Alrighty, guys, so I'm super stoked for this moment. I've been waiting this since I got this truck. Honestly, I never done this like in this extent. As you saw me on the Honda, I painted my car bar with cans. That was really painful. My thumb was numb, but it's definitely possible. So today, you know, I got all my tools. I got my air compressor. I have my gun right here. I'm going to clean the truck with this heavy duty cleaner. I have my thinner right here. I'm ready. this is the paint that I'm using for primer. Good quality, no problems. But the thinner, this is the one I bought. See what it says? Cleans and thins. Cleans. So I just put some inside this cup. I went with 4 and another 4 with the thinner. And look at my paint. Open up. How I'm supposed to paint a car with this? I'm gonna run to the store real quick and get the real thing because this thing is just not, can't work like this. Alrighty guys, so I just got back from the store. The guy said that this should be it. He said if it isn't, bring it back. And that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and try and see how that goes. Alright, it's a little better. Yep, let's go, I guess. Alrighty guys, when I thought I was ready, I run to another issue. My goodness man, the problems just don't stop. So the thinner, that's the one I need. Now, when I was about to plug the hose to the gun, see this right here? So basically what I need is, I need to find an attachment that goes on here. So I can put it to the hose. Because this thing is something that you just gotta bring down and you just put it in. And this ain't the one. And I don't have anything. I looked everywhere and I just don't have it. So for that reason, I'm gonna have to run to Walmart or Home Depot or whatever is open right now, which is super late. It's already 7:30. I don't know if anything's open. It's Sunday, so I don't know if it's open. So I'm gonna run to the store real quick, keep you updated. If I can't find anything, then I guess this video is gonna be with no painting. What do you guys think about this beauty, huh? That's the first coat. Not bad for a rookie, huh? Yep, that's how it looks right now. I'm gonna go 3 times with the primer. pretty good. Even the dent, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. I'm gonna fix it a little bit more because I don't like how it looks. But check out that paint, man. I still have to adjust the gun. I gotta get used to it for a better, cleaner, a smooth finish. But so far, so good. What do you guys think? Alrighty guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. As you guys saw, I painted the entire bed of this truck and it turned out really amazing. As you guys know, I am not a professional. I'm just a guy that likes cars. So I'm learning as I go. On the next episode, you're going to see me wet sand this truck just to get that smooth finish. And also I'm going to focus a little bit more on the body because there's some imperfections that I see and I just don't like how it looks. So that's going to be on the next one. So guys, be sure to like the video. That tells me that you like what you see and you support the channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys next time.